Hey, you're welcome on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei hair trimmer with a model number 3298. Okay, it's a brand new one, and yeah, it looks like the old type. Got 2.5 hours charging time, 120 minutes operating time, 1200 milliamp battery. And got 5 watts also. Okay, it looks like the old type, but the old type got the on and off switch here. So we're gonna talk about that. So let's unbox this thing. You know. So inside, you got a little brush and guards. This is the blade that comes with it. So it's not sharp at all. No. So I changed it. And charging cable. That's it. So now I said I changed the blade, so I put another blade. I don't know from where I got this blade, but I still need to change this blade because this blade is not sharp enough also. And it feels good on hand. Small, almost like the old type. The old type got the power button here, but this one is more thin. I like this one more better, and the sound of this one is also much better. So this one got I guess without blade 6,500 RPM. So with the blade should be around 6,200 RPM. So you can take this one off, which is really good. You can see it's really good. See that? It's the same system like the old type, just this one is metal, and here's plastic, but here's metal and slimmer. And you got a place where you can rest your thumb, which is good. So I need to put this one back. LCD display, and here. Okay, now it's very quiet. Very quiet. So it's not bad, but the blade is not good. Yeah, if you can change the blade, if you got other blade that can fit, and this GTX blade will fit on this one. So make sure, I guess M10, no, make sure M11 blade will also fit on this thing. Yep, that's it. And peace, man. All right.